Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Alisado Brazilian is probably one of the most sought-after hair treatments for achieving sleek, frizz-free locks, promising a smooth and shiny mane that lasts. But with so many options available, choosing the right Alisado Brazilian treatment can be overwhelming. This video will guide you through the process, helping you make an informed decision based on your hair type, desired results, and budget. Number 5. PLACENTA Life KERATIMASK Kit. Get ready to experience the latest in formaldehyde-free hair straightening. This innovative keratin treatment will leave your hair smooth, shiny, and silky. It's all about the hyaluronic system technology. This revolutionary technology uses hyaluronic acid and keratin to deliver long-lasting, professional results. Enjoy up to 3 months of frizz-free, smooth, and silky straight hair. Say goodbye to bad hair days. It's gentle on your scalp and hair. This formaldehyde-free formula means no irritation, just beautiful results. Transform your hair and reveal the smooth, shiny look you've always wanted. It's easy to use and delivers amazing results. Experience frizz reduction, hair fiber repair, and extreme softness and shine. It's a vitality bath for your hair. What we like? It's formaldehyde-free, so it won't irritate your scalp. Its hyaluronic acid provides deep hydration and long-lasting results. If you have sensitive skin or want a gentle yet effective treatment, this is the one for you. What people say. However, the results are silky smooth, evenly coated, manageable and tangle-free keratin-treated hair. This product left my hair feeling nice and silky, and it's smooth and straight. Humidity kills my hair. After using this treatment and styling my hair as usual, I went outside in 76 degrees Fahrenheit temperature with 72% humidity. After 10 minutes my hair was still nice and straight and kept the style. My hair came out beautifully straight and not fried whatsoever. Blow drying and straightening it is now so much easier, and my hair takes to it so easily. Number 4. Brazilian Blowout Ionic Bonding Spray. This innovative spray is designed to repair and protect your hair. It strengthens each strand from root to tip, leaving it healthier and more resilient. It uses ionic bonding technology to create a protective layer around your hair. This shield guards against heat damage and environmental stressors. This spray helps to repair split ends and other damage. It leaves your hair looking smoother, shinier, and healthier. It provides excellent heat protection when styling with hot tools. This helps to prevent further damage and keeps your hair looking its best. The effects of this spray are long-lasting, keeping your hair healthy and protected for extended periods. Enjoy the benefits of stronger, more manageable hair. Simply spray it onto damp or dry hair and style as usual. It's that easy to incorporate into your daily hair care routine. What we like? This spray uses ionic bonding technology for a sleek finish and protects against heat damage. It adds incredible shine to your hair. If you frequently use heat styling tools, this product is a must-have. What people say. It leaves the hair soft, looking good, has no scent that I can tell. The Brazilian Blowout Ionic Bonding Spray is a game-changer for maintaining smooth, frizz-free hair. It truly helps to extend the life of the treatment while keeping my hair looking sleek and shiny. The spray is lightweight and doesn't weigh my hair down or make it feel greasy, which is a big plus. My hair stays soft, manageable, and frizz-free for days. A decent size bottle. My hairstylist recommended me to purchase. It helped my Brazilian blowout last longer. I have naturally thick hair, so after I washed my hair I would apply it in my hair, and let it air dry it maintain my frizziness, and the smell is great too. Number 3. Kativa Brazilian Kit. Transform your hair with our revolutionary kit. It's designed for all hair types, promising straighter, softer, and shinier locks. Enjoy salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. This kit provides up to 12 weeks of sleek, manageable hair. It's formulated with nature's finest ingredients. Argan oil, shea butter, keratin, and amino acids nourish and protect your hair. Whether your hair is curly, wavy, or frizzy, this kit is perfect for you. It works wonders on all textures. Watch as your hair becomes straighter, softer, and shinier. It's a remarkable change you'll love. This kit helps you unlock your hair's full potential. Experience the strength, vitality, and hydration it deserves. What we like. It's enriched with argan oil and shea butter for nourishment and lasting smoothness. The results last up to 12 weeks. If you're looking for a long-lasting, natural straightening solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. My hair is now heavy, straight and lying perfectly on my head in a bowl shape. Unbelievable. I'm now able to air dry my hair and not have to style it at all. I've washed it about 5 times now since the treatment and the results are still there. I haven't straightened my hair since. From the first use, my hair has never looked so sleek and smooth. The results were instant. My hair was instantly straighter, shinier, and much more manageable. Even after washing, my hair remained smooth, frizz-free, and perfectly straight for weeks. It feels healthier and more hydrated, and I noticed less breakage, too. Number 2. Brazilian Blowout Balm. This is the Brazilian Blowout Protective Thermal Straightening Balm. It's designed to help you achieve smooth, sleek hair. It protects your hair from heat damage caused by styling tools. This helps keep it healthy and shiny. This balm helps to straighten your hair, leaving it looking smooth and manageable. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to sleek styles. It's simple to apply and works well with all hair types. Just work it through your damp or dry hair before styling. This generous 8-ounce bottle will last you a long time. Get ready to experience the Brazilian Blowout difference. It's more than just a balm, it's a luxurious experience for your hair. Enjoy the smooth, shiny, and healthy hair you've always wanted. What we like. This balm protects your hair from heat damage while straightening. It's easy to use and provides a smooth finish. If you want quick and easy heat styling with protection, this is your ideal choice. What people say. Even in 80% humidity, this keeps my hair smooth for a few days. You don't need to have a Brazilian blowout for this to work. I had a trip to New York that I wanted cute straight hair for. Lasted all day. Hair was never heavy or greasy. Never clumped up, and it was really humid. All in all, it cut my drying experience by a few minutes, and I was amazed at how well it worked with just the hair dryer while using my hairbrush. I didn't even need to use that much of the flat iron. My hair came out so beautiful, shiny and healthy looking, to my happy surprise, very soft and flowy. Number 1. Kativa Keratin Straightening Kit. Transform your hair with our natural keratin treatment. It's designed for all hair types, from curls to frizz, leaving it strong and hydrated. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless hair. This kit helps you achieve the smooth, straight look you've always wanted. Our unique formula, with argan oil and shea butter, deeply nourishes and strengthens each strand. Enjoy beautifully straight hair for up to 12 weeks. It's like getting salon-quality results at home. This kit makes achieving professional-looking straight hair easy and convenient. Get ready to love your hair again. The hyaluronic acid and premium serum will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and healthy. What we like. It contains hyaluronic acid and a premium serum for intense hydration and shine. This natural kit provides professional results from the comfort of your home. If you desire a luxurious, at-home straightening experience, this is the kit for you. What people say. This gave me the hair of my dreams. It's completely straight and it is not frizzing up and is not responding to humidity or sweat. Took maybe 4 hours in total because this blow drying is tricky since it doesn't dry fast due to the straightening cream, but it felt like a lot less time had passed, so I didn't even notice. I had no idea what to do with my wiry gray hair, my dyed hair and my now tape-in blonde hair extensions. I just always thought these were for curly hair people. I used to get perms. Anyways, really impressed. I even did my finance's hair. His is curly. I mean, it takes a while. This is my first time ever. But before it I could never not have frizzy hair. I had no clue this was for frizzy hair. This product worked incredibly well. My hair is 3B, 3C curly, and after using this, my hair is actually straight, really smooth, and soft. My hair dries faster and I have to use fewer passes with the flat iron. Humidity doesn't affect my hair at all anymore. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.